finally have our campsite all set up. We're camped out at Army Camp here in River Gorge National Park. Wait. Okay. We're hanging out in the tent while the boys are building the fire.
At the new River Gorge. Show them the river rushing by in the background. That thing is a beast, man. It's the doggy's first trip, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got waves. River waves.
This is the new river. The same river that flooded during Helene in North Carolina. It's a pretty scary looking river. A cool walkway. I have this plastic piecing in place to keep all the rocks in. I brought my stuff pre-prepped. We've got garlic, onion, thyme, carrot. What else did I put in there? Bay leaves. This, along with the celery and the potatoes, will cook first.
You make a hash mark, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever size the potato is, and then you complete the hashes, and then you shave it off, and then whoops, then you're cubed.
And then it becomes cubes.
Does it work with purple ones?
No, stop. Boom. See, done.
Such good helpers. Alright, we're gonna get our beef stew started. We've got all the stuff pre-chopped. Dad's working on the potatoes, and he just chopped celery too. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, we just put some salt, so in go the potatoes.
Make it more level. So what's after a year? But they're still only paying him like for the next 5 or 6 years.
You going somewhere to watch the game next weekend?
What a good boy. You guys gonna take a nap? Yeah. Get all warmed up again? Hi, my Mia. Beef stew is ready. Now for the most important part of the meal. We're making the toast. I'm so afraid of burning it.
So you want me to do what?
Just get it ready for the table.
For the table?
Yeah, I just wanted it out for the table. We got our chef and sous chef here. It's so good that they're not waiting for me to eat.
What?
Oh, I just got smoke in my eyes.
The
Oh.
broth that I bought with spicy? Yep.
So good.
No dialogue. There'll be music on this. To wash dishes.
Yeah, it's not enough to wash dishes.
Got some post beef stew vibes going on. Y'all's camping chairs rock?
No.
Ours do. Little Mia in there is all bundled up. So pitiful. Miklo's enjoying a snack.
How will it keep the heat on? Will it look like that?
Miklo loves sticks. My little stick dog. Are you my stick dog, Miklo? Camp cuisine just keeps getting better. We're all getting kind of cold now. Miklo even has his little hat on.
Miklo, look at mommy. Look.
Miklo.
Miklo.
And Dad has all of his Redskins garb on. Chillin'.
Good girl, Mia.
Here's my little campers with their collar lights on. Look at me, Mia. Look at you. Look at you, Miklo. You look so cool.
Nice, Meek.
Ooh. Oh, did Mia's go off? Oh, I just can't see it. You look so cool, Mia.
We have done dishes and we have sat by the fire and took the dogs for a walk, and now we're going to make some hot chocolate, and it's only 6:30 at night and it's been dark for almost an hour. Alex is trying to figure out when he can go to bed. And that's pretty much a summary of what we've been doing. Now I'm pouring water into a pot, which means I'll immediately have to pee. And we're trying to figure out what that big bright light is up next to the moon. Take a shot of the moon and the...
I don't think it'll pick it up, Dad. Oh, it will. There it is. Does anyone know what this planet is?
Alex was guessing it's Jupiter. So now we'll go make some hot water. Ta-da!
We've just been hanging out since dinner and the puppies are all snuggled up in the tent. Miklo just heard a car, so he's on alert now. Getting ready for bed.
Come. You see Mia? Come.
We did it. All snuggled in. You look miserable. Alright. It's morning now. It's about 7:30. We did make it through the night. I got pretty cold. The temperature whenever we woke up in the car we're in the car warming up now. It said 29. I swear it's got to be 10 degrees colder than that outside. The dogs did pretty good. They're snuggled up right now. I do think that the dogs stayed completely warm all night. At one point, Miklo even woke up and I could just tell whenever he gets really hot, he'll just stand up and like stare at you in the middle of the night. And he was doing that. I can tell that he got too hot. We made him stay under the covers anyway, but I think our primary complaint was our campsite neighbors. They were young kids, I hope. They were yelling, screaming F you throughout the entire night. I thought at one point at about 2 a.m., I thought that I heard them walking around campsites taking things. I might be wrong about that because I didn't get out of the tent and look. They eventually left and they like peeled out of the parking lot whenever they left. So we're in the car warming up now until Dad and Alex wake up. My intention is to pack up our stuff and go out to breakfast. It doesn't feel like I have French toast in me. Hi, Bubba. Oh! Hi, my Mia. Are you waking up, Pops? Yeah. Yay, camping.
Yay, camping.
Cheers.
We sent him down to Grants to get
El Cafe. El Cafe. One.
Wow. That's kind of freaky looking. Going to the visitor center in our jammies.
It's all sick, buddy. It's okay.
Crazy.
You with me?
Yep.
And then you hoist it up. You hoist it up into place. And then there
Crazy.
should be another drawing where they connect the parts.
Dad's favorite app.
Where does that one go?
Eric.
That's video.
Now on to hike the Endless Wall Trail. We just wrapped up at Endless Wall Trail. It was supposed to be a 2.5 mile loop, but we only did, what do you think, maybe half of it? Maybe. We have 2 very tired puppies. We're headed a bit further north now towards Cathedral Falls. Like how, I feel like it's not coming through on camera how strong this is.
I think you have to like go up here and you show like right
Scary.
here. See how-
It's one mean river. Spot the Alex. One last stop before home.